Good morning. I thought I'd let you see what we're doing today. We're working on these hand railings for my brother Carl. And he made a very nice jig to build them in. And cut all the pieces and had all that done. Brought the jig out here to the farm. And he's setting one up right now. And I'll spot that. Tack it in the jig. Here's one that's welded. It's looking all right. I won't win a purple ribbon, but they probably won't break. And we'll go ahead and clean these up, and I'll get them hung in the paint booth, and we will hit them with epoxy and some black, pretty single-stage urethane. So there you go. We're doing handrails out at the farm. Here's one that's tacked up on my bench, and I'll hit all these and we'll get them done. So I think the last one's in the jig. There's 4 of them to do. So there you go. Have a nice day.